1 second. 1 second. See. Yes, the session not recorded. I'm repeating again. Hi guys, good evening. Yes, if anyone unable to hear me, please rejoin the session. Select audio while joining. Session started, I'm speaking. Okay. Today, first day. Yes, I'll tell you all this, don't worry. Today's agenda. First of all, about me. Next, about course. Next, what is prerequisite to learn Java? Course content. So, this is today's agenda. Today's agenda. Yes, yeah. Don't worry. I'll explain. I'll tell you. If you miss the class, that case, I'll tell you. So today's session about me, about course. Next prerequisite to learn Java. Next course contents. See about me. Here this is Nageshwar Rao. 23 years of experience. My most of the experience Java, Big Data, Hadoop, Linux, Python. This area my most of the experience. Java, Hadoop, Big Data, Linux and Python. Okay. Yes, as a part of Big Data Hadoop. Yes, Linux and Python. Yes, as a part of this, I worked here also. Currently working for this company, Silotech Private Limited, Hyderabad. Silotech. This is Silotech. You can search in Google. So this is current working company. Yes, Hyderabad, Madhapur, near Cyber Towers. Near Cyber Towers. Now presently work from home. Working from home. Currently working from home. My role is solution architect. Yes. In my total career, 18 projects completed. 18 projects completed. Yes, 19th project last month started. Okay. First 2 projects on embedded C, 12 projects on Java, 12 projects on Java, 4 projects on Hadoop and Big Data. Now currently 19 projects. 19 projects. Currently 19 projects. Currently, yes, 19th projects on Java. See, 93 to 97, my engineering completed means before your birth, maybe. Before your birth. Before your birth, I completed my engineering. Okay, 93 to 97. Okay, yes. Yes, 97. Yes, before Java releasing, already I was in software field. Before Java release, Java 1995. 1995, that time I was learning C language. 1995 Java released. So before Java only started my software career. Every version of Java I worked. Yes, I'll tell you that history also. 93 97, computer science, JNTU Hyderabad. See, my MSET rank. Yes, anyone can expect this one here. My MSET rank. See, that time only 360 seats we have. Yes, AP and TS. Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. United Andhra Pradesh. Yes, next one more open category. Now you can expect how much rank. Only 360 seats available here. AP and Telangana. Yes, open category. Yes, my rank 125. Yes, because of this career, this engineering, computer science, because of this, immediately I got the job. In 1997, final year itself, I got the campus interview, got the job. Yes, with Motorola company. Even one day also no gap. Immediately joined with the job. Yes, 97 started with the embedded C. 2000 years shifted to Java. Started Java career. Because that time Java is very hot cake. Okay. Yes, 2013 started Hadoop and Big Data career also. 2013 14 I was in ESA to set up Hadoop clusters. So that's all about me. That is my whole career. My whole career. Next, teaching also very good experience. More than 2 years, I'm taking these online classes. Online classes, yes, very good experience in teaching. Like particularly presentation skills. I have very good presentation skills. See, in our office, for every time presenting to the clients, I'll present all the things here with all the requirements and about projects, everything I will present. I have good presentation skills. Okay, yes. Next, even good English communication skills also. Good English communication. See, English depends on the person facing. I'll change the accent. Suppose if I'm going to US, their accent will be different. India, office accent different. Suppose talking to student, that accent different. So depends on person changing here. I'll change the English accent also. Okay, fine. Now about the course, about your course. Your course is Core Java. The duration, total duration 75 days. 75 days. Number of sessions 65 to 68 sessions. Time 8 to 9:30 p.m. Monday to Saturday classes. Monday to Saturday. Next, 3 demo classes you can attend, no issue. 3 demo classes free of cost. You can just need not to pay, free of cost. 3 demo classes. Okay. See, from tomorrow I'll start actual subjects. From tomorrow, no wasting of time. Tomorrow onwards I'll start actual classes. Actual classes itself demo means free of cost you can attend. Actual class also you can attend free of cost. No issue. I'm not a commercial. You can attend your wish. Take your own time to decide it. Take your own time to decide it. Okay. 3 demo classes at free of cost you can attend. Okay. No issue. Okay. Next, total session 65 to 68 sessions, 75 days. My recently complete batch. Let me show the recently complete batch. Java. Recently batch 7:30 p.m. batch completed 7:45. Course Java. 7:30 p.m. Recordings. Yes. See, last session 73 sessions taken. I think it was taken for 80 days. 80 days, 73 sessions. 80 days. 4th August started. 28th, yes, 8th November completed. Okay. Next, one more batch. Yes, 8 a.m. morning 8 a.m. batch I'm taking now currently. That 7 o'clock complete batch, now 8 a.m. batch taking. See that 8 a.m. batch. 6th September started. Now 15th November. Yes, how many days? Yes, around 65 days. 65 days, 58 classes taken. 65 days, 58 classes. That is my dedication. Only Sunday holiday. Only Sunday holiday. Monday to Saturday 60 classes. Strictly classes taken care. Yes. So this is about number of sessions here. 65 to 68 sessions. Only Sunday holiday. Time. Yes, 8 o'clock means sharply I'll start 8 o'clock. Okay, ending by 9:30 p.m. See, most of the trainers 8 o'clock means they will come to class at 8:30 or 8:20. But my class are not like 8 o'clock means 8 o'clock sharply starting. Yes, if late means only 2 minutes late. Only 2 minutes, not more than that. Monday to Saturday classes, 3 demo classes at free of cost you can attend. Okay. Yes, apart from this, what are the other services? See, daily recordings. Daily recordings. Yes, share it to yes, your Gmail ID. Share it to your Gmail ID. Daily recording sharing to your Gmail ID. Gmail just within finishing 1 hour class, just within 1 hour of finishing class. 1 hour of finishing class. Yes, daily recordings. Now it's recording. Currently it's recording. Yes, now currently session is recording. So daily recording share to your Gmail ID just within 1 hour of finishing class. 1 hour of finishing class. That means maximum by 11 p.m. we can watch it. By 11 p.m. So 9:30 finishing class. After that it will take 1 hour to process. So by 11 o'clock we can watch it. Okay. Yes, it can be watched. It can be watched. It can be watched for any number of times. Any number of times. No limits. No limit on this. No limits. No limits. No limits. Next, validity. Videos validity for 1 year. 1 year validity. 1 year you can access. So 1 year validity. Yes, it can be watched for any number of times. 1 year validity. Okay, next, one more facility. Yes, in Durgasoft, all trainers may not be providing, but from my side, one more facility. See, any student is unable to continue classes, unable to continue, continue that live classes, unable to continue live classes due to some reasons. Yes, they can attend next batch also. They can attend next batch also. I'm allowing. Yes, I'm not a commercial. Next batch also you can attend. Yes, anyone. Yes, any student unable to continue for that live session due to time problem. Yes, any student unable to continue for live classes. Yes, they can continue for next batch also. Next, you can watch recordings. Watch recordings. Any doubts are there, you can ask. Watch recordings. Doubts you can ask. Doubts you can ask. Anytime you can ask me doubts. Okay. Anytime you can ask doubts. Anytime. Just to, I'll tell you communication, how to communicate with me. I'll tell you. Yes. See, watch recordings. Yes, doubts you can ask me anytime. Anytime, no issue. Okay. Doubts anytime. Anytime you can ask me. Okay. Anytime. Like a Google, I'll respond. Whenever searching for something Google, getting response, same I'll respond. I'll tell you how to communicate with you. Okay. So this is daily recordings plus next class documents. So these are the recordings sharing with you. Yes, forever pass separate drive creating here. See some drive creating. See, this is like this some drive. Yes, for example, drive recent batch drive here, current running batch drive. Yes, morning 8 o'clock batch. Yeah, this is core Java 8:30 AM. Like this, forever batch also I'll create one folder. Yes, uploading to folder. Every daily class uploading to this folder. 15th November means today taking class. See the dates. 1st November, 2nd November, 3rd November, 4th. I think holiday. Sunday. Next 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th. No holidays. 13, 14. Even 14 Sunday also taken for that batch. 14th November taken that batch. Region some batch almost at the end. 58 sessions. Next 12 sessions that batch will be finishing. On Sunday also taken. See the dates. You can check the dates. No gap in the dates. Only Sunday's gap. Like this forever batch also I'll create one drive here. Yes, sharing to your Gmail ID. Sharing to your Gmail ID. Something like this. Sharing to Gmail ID. Yes, sharing. Yes, you can access from that. Yes, go to Google Drive. From the Google Drive, you can access videos, daily videos. So next class doc recordings plus class document is a class document. Yes, class document. So this is our class document. Yes, 5th November recently updated document. This is our class document. class document. Yes, 555 pages this document. 555 pages this document here. Yeah, this document is completely my experience. Yes, you can't compare with anyone. Nowhere comparison. Go to any Google. Yes, go to Google. Go to any website. Visit any websites. Yes, the Java websites that contents and our document nowhere comparison. Completely my experience. This document completely experience here. Okay, see here. This document, your class document, running notes is not necessary to write. You guys don't write running notes, wasting of time. Just to focus on the class. Try to understand classes very clearly. Running notes is not necessary. See, for explanation purpose, sometimes I'll be using notepad. Sometimes using notepad. Sometimes using Word. Yes, opening words. Yes, in Word document explaining. In Word document explaining. Yes, by drawing something like that. Okay. So Word document notepad I'll be using for explanation. So whatever topic explained, same thing within the document. See, my class order and document order both are same. What are the order explaining here? Document are also same. Even single line also is matching. Same. So every line matching with my, yes, the training here, matching with your class explanation. Every line matching here. Even single line also mismatch. In single line also no mismatch. So whatever things I'm explaining the notepad here, what are the topics I'm explaining notepad, same thing as this you can see in the document. Same, my order of explanation and document is same. My order of explanation daily class here and document same. Even single line also no mismatch. See, generally most of the trainers, their order of explanation is different, document is different here. Simply they will go to different websites, they will collect all the things here and preparing one cooked book. Their books are cooked books. But my document are completely experienced. My 20 years of experience Java. Lot of experience. Yes, this document 300 programs I have prepared. 300 programs you can see. Daily assignments will be there. Next, more than 500 interview questions. More than 500 topic wise interview questions prepared. Topic wise prepared. Okay, full documents. Very point to point will be there. You can see point to point document, point to point explanation, not lengthy description. Point to point explanation. So this is about this document for you only. Yes, this document for you only. Yes, I'll share to your registered Gmail ID. This document sharing to your registered Gmail ID. Registered Gmail ID. So this is about document. Okay, class documents. Class documents. Next, JDK software I'll be sharing. JDK. JDK 8, yes, 9, 11, and 13. The softwares. JDK 8, yes, JDK 9, 11, and 13. I'll be sharing with you. Yes, we are going to discuss about all these versions here. Okay, software. So this is from my side. Okay, so this is about your course. Yes, about course details. And these are services from my side. They are services from my side. So next, yes, now non-IT guys. Non-IT guys, eagerly waiting for this. Non-IT guys. Non-IT guys, this is question. Yes, what is prerequisite to learn Java? Non-IT, maybe from the mechanical backgrounds or electronics background, civil backgrounds. That non-IT guys wanted to change to software, IT career. They wanted to change to IT. Then learning, can I learn Java? That question, $1,000,000 question for these guys. Okay, already C language background, no issue. But don't have any IT background for them. Yes, it's a $1,000,000 question. Yes, can I learn Java without any IT background? Yes, you can learn. Nothing required. Nothing required. Nothing required. I'm not expecting anything from you guys. Nothing required. Just only Windows knowledge. Just only, yes. That's what. For 980 background guys also I'm saying this is. Just Windows knowledge enough. Java folder. In that folders and files, only this much of knowledge I'm expecting from you. No expectations. Okay, non-IT. Yes, nothing required here. Nothing required. See, non-IT background guys also can understand. Non-IT backgrounds. Yes, many students are in my batches. Non-IT background guys. Many students are there. They are feeling very happy. They are feeling very happy here. Yes, non-IT backgrounds. Yes, non-IT background guys also can understand. Also can understand. Okay. Yes, many students that feedback. I will show that. Yes, many are saying that, sir, we came from the non-IT background. Even we came from the non-IT background, we are able to understand very clearly. Really wonderful your classes. Like that, their feedback. Yes, I'll show that feedback also. Okay. Yes, nothing requires non-IT backgrounds. See, non-IT background guys also can understand classes, can understand here. Okay. See here, I'm starting with basics. Starting with basics. Starting with basics. Okay. Yes. Once a starting basics, you'll be wondered. Like starting from very scratch. What is hardware? What is software? Okay. Yes, like that. Very starting. Just starting with very basic. See this. Starting classes. Introduction to software. What is software? Like system software, application software. Next, what is voice? About voice explaining. After voice, next, what is application software, front end, back end, language package, all the basics. Initially starting basics. Directly, I'll not be entering into Java. Next, interpreter, compiler, and then entering into Java. Okay, directly not entering. There are some basics. After finishing basics, I'll go to Java. Starting with basics. Finally, yes, taking to high end. Taking to high end. High end. Okay, yes, 75 days of journey with my classes. 75 days of your journey. Yes, taking to high end. See, by the time of finishing your course, by the time of finishing your course, by the time of finishing your course, yes, you will be in a position to put up experience. Yes, you will be in a position to put up, yes, to put up minimum of 3 to 4 years of experience. 3 to 4 years of experience. 3 to 4 years of experience. That level I can train you. Yes, by the time of finishing course, it's my challenge. It's my challenge. I'll make you like that. Yes, you will be in a position to put up minimum 3 to 4 years of experience. It's my challenge. The thing is, you have to practice every day. Whatever the topics I'm covering, you have to practice every day. Project related scenarios, all the scenarios will be expanding here. You have to practice. If you practice here, you'll become expert like a 4 years experience guy. You can put up that much of experience. It's my challenge. Okay. Yes. Yes, I will tell you resume preparation. Okay, resume preparation and all this. How to put up experience on all this. Okay. Yes, daily minimum 2 hours need to practice. 1.5 hour class and 2 hours learning. 1.5 hour class and 2 hours practice. Yes, Mr. Vishnu just resigned. Vishnu Vardhan Reddy. Yes, Vishnu Vardhan. He better he resign. Better he resign. Better resign. Better resign. Okay. Better resign. Generally, I am a loudspeaker. I'm a loudspeaker. Yes, 1 second. Hello. Yeah, Raj. Yeah, Raj. ఓకే దీని క్లాస్లో ఉన్నాను నేను ఒకసారి చెక్ చేసుకుంటాను యా 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 క్లాస్లో ఉన్నా ఓకే ఐ విల్ చెక్ లేటర్ ఓకే Yes, 3 to 4 years of experience you can put up. So prerequisite, nothing required. About prerequisites, non-IT background guys also can understand. Okay. Yes, next. Yes, now eagerly waiting for this one. Course contents. Yes, you can install macOS. On macOS also you can install. I will tell you how to install Java on macOS. I have the experience on Mac also. Mac experience, Linux experience, Windows version, all that versions I have. Okay. Yes, all the different operating systems have that experience. I can tell you. Okay. Which version? Yes. See, starting with 8, 9, 11, 13, all four versions I'll be explaining up to 13. First is starting with 8, after finishing 8, yes, we'll move into 9 here, next 11, 13. Your syllabus finishing with 8 here, after that going to 9 features, 11 features, 13 features. Okay, last 10 days spending these features here. Okay, yes, up to 13 I'll be covering, don't worry. 8, 9, 11, 13. Okay, yes, course content, this is doubt. Most of the guys, I think, eagerly waiting for this. What are the contents are going to cover? See, JDK software. JDK means yes, Java Development Kits. JDK stands for Java Development Kits. Yes. So what is exactly Java? Java contains what? In that, what is our part? What is our part? Let us see. JDK. Yes, in JDK there are 4 editions. There are 4 editions. There are 4 editions in JDK. First one, Java SE, called as yes, J2SE. J2SE. Yes, is it Java Standard Edition? Java Standard. 1 second. 1 second. Java. Just wasting of time. Yes. See, 4 editions. JDK Java Development Kit. There are 4 editions totally. First one Java Standard Edition. Next one Enterprise Edition. Next one Mobile Edition. Next FX. JFX. Totally 4 editions. Totally 4 editions. In these 4 editions, Java Mobile Edition. In this series, Java is very poor, not recommended. In this, yes, industry using Android. Industry using Android this area. Okay, next, Java effects. These for visual effects. For visual effects here, Premiere software. Premiere software is available. Premiere software and Maya software. They are using. Industry not using Java this area. Java poor in this area. Java is the leader in this area. First one, second one. Java Standard Edition. Java Standard Edition. So this is Java technology. This is Java technology. Java technology. This is Java technology. Java technology. Yeah, this is our course. Our course is SE. Yes, you learning technology now. Learning technology. Of learning technology, next enterprise edition. Yes, this is application development. Yes, application development. See Java app. Yes, application apps development. Apps development. Apps development. Yes, here some doubt here. Yes, application development means all frameworks. See, all frameworks. All frameworks. It's all frameworks comes from this area. Like Spring framework and different, yes, Hibernate framework. There are different frameworks. 1 second. SE means your course. SE. So this is your course. So this is your course. Yes, after learning this one here, next watch. Next watch. Suppose if you want to choose Java career, Java developer, for Java developer, for Java developer, yes, Java developer, for Java developer, yes, you should learn it. Enterprise edition. Yes, you should go for this. Java developer, you have to. If you want to choose Java career, Java developer, yes, yes, here choosing Java developer career, you should go for enterprise edition. Yes, you have to learn this is. Suppose your career is a testing Selenium. Testers, yes, they can go for Selenium. Selenium, they can choose that. Selenium, after finishing. Yes, after finishing your course. Yes, after finishing your course, after finishing our, yes, means your now our syllabus. After finishing this syllabus here, Java developer, you can go for Java enterprise. Yes, if you want to choose this career, go for this. Server testers. There's a manual testers. Manual testing here, they can go for Selenium. They can for Selenium, this is required. Testers. Okay. Yes. Next year, Hadoop developers. Yes, Hadoop, we can choose Hadoop area. Yes, Hadoop developers. Next, Hadoop development. Yes, Hadoop. Yes, if you want Hadoop career here, then start Hadoop. Then you can go to Hadoop here. Hadoop. So first, after finishing your course, your career is Java development area. Go for enterprise. Yes, for testers, Selenium required. Yes, testers. After finishing this, testers are going for Selenium. Yes, Hadoop developer learning Hadoop. Hadoop also Java based. Okay. Yes, next. Yes, apart from this, nowadays, even Salesforce. For Salesforce also required. Salesforce also required that. Yes, Java foundation means your core Java. The core Java. Yes, it could just it's a core Java part. So after finishing core Java, yes, you can go as Java developer for enterprise testers Selenium. Yes, next Hadoop developers Hadoop, Salesforce. Learning Salesforce. Yes, Salesforce with Java. Okay. Next data science guys. Next in data science also using Java. Data science. Yes. Data science. That is also that's your wish. Okay, your wish. After finishing our course, Java developer. So learn this one here. The testers. Yes, learn Selenium with Java. Just learn Selenium with Java. Okay, Hadoop developer. Yes, Hadoop with Java. Just learn Hadoop with Java. Salesforce Java. Data science. Okay, analytics with Java. Okay. So data science, Python we can use, Java also we can use. Python, Java, next R language. Data science, one more R language available. R language, Java, Python, various kind of things we can use. Sometimes using some area, not all the areas using Python. Some area we can use Java, some area Python. Yes, some area Python, some area Java, some area R language also using. Machine learning, some area. Depends on area. Data science is a version. Data science is a version. Depends on module, we can use different language. Some modules using Python, some modules using Java, some modules using R language, some modules using machine learning here. Depends on modules, that language will be changing here. That's a version, right? Data science. Okay. So this is yes, for whom our course for whom here, for whom for these guys. These guys. Okay. Yes, let us see about our syllabus. Java standardization. Syllabus. What are the contents covering it? Java standardization. Yes, these are our syllabus. Yes, about syllabus. Okay. Means your content, simply your course contents. Complete contents. Okay, course, yes, Java standardization. Yes, complete your course contents, your syllabus. Course contents. First, yes, 1 second. First here, starting with core part of Java. Yes, 1 second. Yes, wasting our time. First core part of Java. Yes, your syllabus. Okay, your syllabus. Starting with core part of Java. In core part means all the fundamentals, Java fundamentals, like data types, next operators, next control statements, next Java language syntax. This is core part. Data types like C language data type, Java data types, Java operators. Next control statements. Control statements like if statements, switch case statements, while loop, or do while loop and for loop. The control statements. Next arrays. This area explaining about 100 programs, around 100 programs. It's my promise. If not covered, you can ask me. 100 programs. Yes, in this focus on logic building. 4 weeks I'm spending. Yes, initially 4 weeks I'm spending for you. 4 weeks for logic building. How to improve programming skills. This is very, very important. Yes, most of the students are asking for this area. They wanted to become strong in programming skills, particularly non-IT background guys. See, since the last 6 batches introduced to. Previously, only 1 week taken introduction. Now I'm taking 4 weeks. 4 weeks. Yes, almost 1 month. 1 month, 100 programs. Yes, focus on logic building. See, even I'll show that examples. What kind of examples covering here? If statements, some assignments, run regular programming. Suppose loops. List of programs. Is loops, programs and loops. Yes, loops like something like a strong number, Armstrong number. Next, primary numbers. Yes, next, Fibonacci series. Yes, that kind of examples here. Yes, twin primes, displaying twin primes like this. Yes, like pattern programs. Pattern programs. These pattern programs. This kind of patterns. Yes, this kind of pattern. Just like this. Yes, diamond shape pattern. Yes, butterfly shape pattern like this. This kind of patterns here. Yes, that inner diamond, this kind of pattern programs. Yeah, these around 45 programs are there. 45 programs. Okay. Yes, we will write in live classes. Yes, I'll explain. I'll explain in live classes. Every program I'll explain in live classes. It's not theory explanation. Live classes I'll explain. Live only I will explain. Okay. Yes, no chance of the not theory. Everything is live. Everything is live class. Okay, everything is live class only here. So this is, yes, 60 programs explaining. Yes, 40 assignments will be there. 40 assignments. 40 assignments. Yes, even I can play. The live programs are not. 8:30 AM batch. That recording. Let us play one recording here. 23rd session something. First Z. No, this is theory topic. See that explanation. That explanation. See, I'm developing line by line developing. See that. Yes. It's a practical explanation. It's not theory. That explanation and writing program. Yes, that all the practical explanation is not theory. Don't think theory. It's a practically explaining each and every point very clearly. Practical explanation. This program. How this is. See that. Not theory. Everything live classes, live sessions. Okay. Even real time topics also live sessions. You will see all the live sessions. All live sessions. Suppose today's session, today's morning session, except ending that session. Yes. That is practical. Every topic is practically here. Next, one more slowly explaining, very slowly explaining topics. Slowly and clear, like just you ask your any of your friends who are learning Java in my classes who are learning Java, just you ask them, they will tell you my way of explanation and all this. Okay. See, you don't worry, guys. Yes, I'll be explaining like a something that I will take care of everything. Like your brother, like your parents. How your parents will take care about you, same as like that. I'm not a commercial. So first student should be satisfied. Yes, I think about student, not I'll never think about commercial aspects. Money automatically getting. I have the lot of money, lot of assets are there. Yes, I'm well settled in my life. 20 years worked in software field and expert in yes in high profile. Yes, my profile is high profile. I earned lot in my career. Money is secondary for me. It's my passion. Teaching is my passion. That's it. It's my passion. Teaching is my passion. Yes, I wanted to deliver my experience to many students. I want to share my experience to students here. Okay, 100% no doubts. Like your parents, I can guide you. Yes, 100% I can give the life for you. particularly non-IT guys who are changing to IT here, they can feel very happy, 100%. Already who are in IT also, they can feel very happy. This is from my side, promise from my side. If not feel that, you can ask me. Yes, if not feeling, yes, if not felt that, yes, I'm very satisfied with Mr. Nageshwar classes. You'll feel like that. If not felt that, just you can ask me. You can question me. That is my challenge. Okay. Yes. So this is core part of Java. Initially core part of Java. Core part of Java. Next, one more thing here. Sometimes, sometimes middle of the class, just 15 to 20 minutes, I'll take motivation class also. 15 to 20 minutes. Sometimes motivation classes also is there. Motivation. Yes, how to settle your life. That guidance and all the motivation classes also you will see sometimes. Yes, core part of that. So core first 4 weeks. Yes, 4 weeks. Focus on logic building. How to improve program skills. Once programming skills and logics improved here, then starting actual Java concepts. Okay. So next actual Java whoops concept starts. Whoops. Next whoops. After finishing, next whoops. Okay. Here definitely I'm talking, yes, about fees. I'm talking to management. You don't worry. Already I spoke to management. Yes, fees little bit. Yes, maybe high you feeling. Yes, already I spoke to management. Yes, don't worry. Yes, I'm not a commercial. Don't worry about fee and all this. First of all, you attend the classes. Don't worry. Okay. Don't worry. Don't worry about fee. Don't worry about fee and all this. I'll take care of everything. Yes. Yes, Swoops concept features. Yes, 1 second. 1 second, guys. Just a minute. One second. Yes. After finishing this course, you can write. Yes. OCJP also you can write. Oracle Certified Java Professional, not OCJA. OCJP you can write. OCJP syllabus I'm covering here. Okay. Yes. Next, one more thing here. For our batch, I'm maintaining WhatsApp group. What is my WhatsApp number? Yes, 8179189123. This is my WhatsApp number. Share your details. I'll add to group. Yes, your name. Next, what's a course you taking care? Course. Next, what's your time? The next, your Gmail ID request for sharing all. Okay. Yes, your name, course, time, Gmail ID. This is my WhatsApp number. For voice calls also, I'm using same number. Yes, you can call me anytime for guidance. For any kind of guidance in software field, you can call me. You can talk to me. So this is my WhatsApp number group. Yes, 1 second. See here. Yes, ATM batch. Yes, 33 participants for joined. This batch. Yes, that communication with them. Their questions, my doubts. Their questions, my yes. Their questions, my response. Questions and my response. Next, another 7:45 p.m. batch. Recently completed. After finishing that batch, I will start your batch. 39 participants were joined. Yes, around 40 students are there in that batch. Get that batch. 7:45 p.m. batch. Completed recently. Recently completed. Yes, 8 a.m. batch. That batch. Okay. Yep, this is for your batch also. Yes. Where is that? 1 second. For our batch also creating that WhatsApp group. Yep, this is my what. Take this WhatsApp number. Yes. For our batch also group creating. Yes, any doubts are there, you can ask me in group. You can ask me group or personally also you can interact. Anytime I can respond you. Anytime. Except office meeting hours. Except office meeting hours, anytime I will respond you. Except office meeting, next except this class time in our class. Except that anytime you can ping me in WhatsApp. Okay, I will talk to you. Okay. Anytime you can ping me, I can respond like a Google, immediately response. For your batch also creating WhatsApp group. 24/7 help. This WhatsApp helping me a lot. Yes, I'm able to communicate with students very clearly. Daily communication, minute to minute communication. See that students communication. Core Java. See today communication. See this girl asking static variables, some good doubts asking. Yes, see that. See daily. See today's. Yes, this girl asked some doubts. See this. Today's communication. Today's communication. One second. Java. See this. Yes, today's communication. Today's communication. Yesterday, Saturday communication. Friday communication. Thursday communication. Daily. The students. Yes, daily they doubts. Yes. Anytime just you ask me, I'll respond immediately. I'm explaining doubts very clearly. Okay. Yes. Very clear doubts. So this is a daily communication with you. Anytime you can ping me, any doubts you can ask me. Next group, personal communication, group communication. Yes, your class group communication, not only this one here, next one more group I have created. There are 4 groups since last 2 years. 1,000 members data collected in these groups. This is for lifetime support. I'm giving like yes, not yes. After finishing Java class, I will not leave you. I'll give that support for lifetime support. See, group 1, group 2, group 3. Yes, some requirements. Suppose any requirements getting that requirements I'm sharing the groups here. Many companies are giving requirements. Okay, see, this is one requirement. Sharing the group, sharing the group. Freshers and experience sharing the group. In all groups, I'll be sharing here. Yes, every week minimum 2 to 3 requirements will come to me. I'll share all of the things. Yes, even for some students, I'm giving personal reference also. Yes, who are practiced well in classes, who practiced well. Yes, who are responding in the class well. See, my class are interactive classes. Yes, you will be asking questions, I'll be responding. Even my questions will be there. That case, you are to respond. Like interactive classes. It's not one to one. Yes, it's not one-way class here. Interactive classes. Okay. So interactive classes. So yes, in that here, many students participating. Yes, they'll get a good response, good answers. 100% I'll be helping that kind of students. For that purpose, these 4 groups are created. First group filled, next group, next group, next group. I think 4th group also at the end. For our batch, I think it should be added to 5th group. That is my lifetime support groups. Lifetime support group. Yes, next current batch groups are different. Current batch groups. 38M batch. Next 745 recently completed batch, and next your batch. Okay. Yes. That communication is 100% anytime you can. Yes, anytime anytime you can pass, you can ping me, you can ask any doubts. Okay. Yes, yes, you can join. Yes, you can join. Yes, even from US also no issue, you can join. Just ping me details. This is my what take this my WhatsApp number. Yes, US, from the US calling through the WhatsApp you can call it. US calling from WhatsApp you can call it. Many guys are there. Okay. US guys are there in our batches. Okay. This is my WhatsApp number. Yes, you can call through the WhatsApp. Yes, international call may not be allowed. That case, you can go for WhatsApp call. You can call me in WhatsApp. This is my WhatsApp. Please take it. Please take it. I will go to action topic. I'll be waiting for 1 minute. Please take this number. See, any kind of doubts, any kind of things, any kind of guidance, any kind of advice, any kind of real time things, nothing impossible for me. Everything I will help you. If not helping, you can ask me. You can question me. Okay, that is my, yes, 100% assurance is my challenge. Yes, I will make you expert in Java. No, it's my challenge. Otherwise, my experience waste. 23 years of experience. Why waste? Without waste, by helping students and all this. Okay, yeah. So let us go to topic. Yes, removing this here. So this is next. Yes, OOPS concept features, all the features, encapsulation, like data abstraction, method overloading, access modifiers, this reference, constructors, constructor overloading, inheritance, method overriding, polymorphism, access spares, access modifiers, abstract classes, interfaces, garbage collection packages. So this is OOPS area. This OOPS area. Yes, after finishing OOPS, next real-time project-related concept starts. Project-related concepts here. So next, these concepts. Yes, next. Next, these concepts. Yes, after these OOPS, after that, now, how to handle strings in real-time projects. There are different ways using string class, using string buffer class, string builder class, string tokenizer. Yes, using different ways handling strings. Next, object wrapper classes. Yes, purpose of object wrapper class to make everything is object in Java. If data in the form of object is a secure for data, security, mode security. To get more security for data, everything like an object. Next, exception handling. So exceptions, abnormal termination, suddenly terminating application that should be handled. Suppose some application like a banking application connect database. While reading database, yes, maybe suddenly network is down. Yes, how to handle that is nothing but exception handling. Next, after collections concepts. Collections. Collections concepts. Collections. Yes, like a C language dataset, Java dataset, like list queue set map. Yes, purpose of collections to maintain huge amount of data in the RAM memory. So actually data maintaining the database, right? Using database data maintaining. Using data maintaining. Okay. Some cases we should maintain the data inside the RAM memory only. Lakhs of records, millions of records. That case you can go for collections. This is very, very important collections. Without collections, no interview. Yes, even you put up the 10 years of experience also, even 10 years experience guy also has to face these collections. It's my favorite topic. Yes, collections. In every project using collections. Very good experience this area. Okay. Next, after finishing collections, next IOSTEMs, file handling. Yes, in file handling like text files, CSV files, Excel files, XML files, JSON files, PDF files, audio, video files, all different kinds of files. Yes, I worked with every type of file because of Hadoop. Yes, not only Java, Hadoop experience. Okay. Yes, real-time project will discuss. This area will discuss one real-time projects. Yes, after that. Yes, here combination of collections and file handling. We'll discuss one real-time projects. Next, networking, TCP and UDP communications. TCP, one-to-one communication. Chatting. Here, one more project we'll discuss, like a WhatsApp application, like a WhatsApp, how to develop your own chatting application. We'll discuss one chatting application. Okay. Next, UDP, one-to-many, one-to-many. Yes, it's a broadcasting, one-to-many broadcasting. So the networking area. Yes, after multi-threading. Final topic, multi-threading. With multi-threading, your syllabus finishing here. Next, after finishing syllabus, finally, version-wise features. 1.0 features, 1.11. Yes, I worked with every version of Java. I have live experience. Yes, before Java, already I was in software field. I know every version of Java. I work with every version of Java. 1.0, 1.1, 1. Like this, all that features. Version wise. Main focus on 8 and 9. Main focus. Very strong focus on 8 and 9. Because industry asking these features. Next, after finishing this, next 11 and 13 features also will be covering here. Okay. Next, JDBC is the advanced Java. That is different. That is 40, another 45 is JDBC. That is comes on advanced JDBC solids and JSP. That is different. Next, AWT applets outdated, no one using. In 2004 year itself outdated, no one using it. This is our syllabus. So our syllabus, core part of Java. Here, yes, focus on logic building, improving programming skills. Yes, here 100 programs will be discussing. Yes, 60 programs explaining, 40 assignments. Daily assignments will be there. Daily assignments. Next, after hoops. After finishing hoops, here project related concepts like strings like this, object wrapper classes, exception handling, collections, IO streams. Next, networking, multi-threading. Next, version-wise features. This is your complete syllabus. Okay, to finish your syllabus, it takes for 75 days, 65 to 68 sessions, 8 to 9:30 p.m. Monday to Saturday class, only Sunday holiday. Yes, one more thing here. Shortly, I'll be starting classes. See, most of the trainers, 8 o'clock they'll come at 8:20, 8:30. But my class are not like strictly, very strict. I'm very, yes, punctual, dedicated. So 8 to 9:30 p.m. Monday to Saturday classes. 3 demo classes you can attend. You can see, take your own time, no problem. Take your own time and decide to join, whether to join or not. Take your own time. Just you ask your friends also who are already attending my classes. Just you ask your friends. After various calculations, then join in the batch. Try with various calculations like comparing with other trainers. Just ask your friends. Okay, see my classes for 3 to 4 days. See my way of explanation. As by comparing all these various calculations, after doing various calculations, finally you can decide it. No worry. Okay. Yes. Yeah, that's all for today. Yes, any doubts? Yes, any doubts? Yes, see here tomorrow also same. Yes, same link. 1 second. Same link till Saturday. Same link. Same link till Saturday. Till Saturday. Same time. That time till end of the batch. Same time. Same time till end of the batch. End of the batch. Till end of the batch. Okay. Till end of the batch. Same link till Saturday here. Yes, same time till end of the batch. Sai Nikit. Nerella. Sai Nikit. 1 second. Let's discuss Sai Nikit. Yeah, just you can talk to me now. Sai Nikit Nerella. Yes,
Yes, sir.
Nerella.
Good evening,
Yeah,
sir.
Nerella. Yeah, with this name, Nerella Dhanalakshmi, last match. Dhanalakshmi attended Nerella Dhanalakshmi. Okay. Yeah. Tell me.
Sir, when we can pay fee, sir, and actually, if possible, could you please reduce the fee somewhat?
Yes, 1 second. Actually, that is 1 second. Online team. Just you. Online team. Online team. Yes, number. Yes, financial details and yes, account details for the contact online team. Okay,
They're not responding properly, sir. Actually, I called them twice.
online team. Huh? Yes, you don't worry. Don't worry. Okay, I'm here for everything. My WhatsApp number is just you can call me. I'll talk to you. Don't worry. Yes, any case, just you can call me. I'll talk to you. Okay, 1 second. Online team number. Yeah, this is online team number. Yes, 72. So battery contact this one here. 9246 9246 9246 2121 2121 4. This is online team number. Yes, call to online team. Yes, about fees details and all this. They'll provide account details and everything. Of course, after finishing your class, you'll be receiving email. After finishing class,
Sir,
you'll be receiving email. In that emails, you can see all the details. Yes, sir. Still, if you want, just you can just for assistance and help anything, just you can call me.
okay,
Okay,
thank you. Sir.
you can call me. I can discuss. Okay.
Sure, sure, sir.
Your
Thank
brother, like I will help you like your brother. Don't worry. Like your brother, you can feel like your family member. Any kind of
thank you,
thing.
sir.
I'm not a commercial. Don't worry.
Thank you
Okay.
so much. Sir, can I call you after the class?
Yeah, you can. No problem. No issue.
Thank
Okay.
you, sir.
Yeah. This is see WhatsApp. Finally, 1 second. I'm displaying my WhatsApp number. Okay. Yes. Generally in class, 30 members will be there. In 30 members, even 30 members are there. No problem. You can ask any doubt. You can ask me anything. No issue. Yes, you can feel like a one-to-one class. I'll be responding. Yes, I'll see all the chat box. Okay. I'll see chat box. When in explaining class, I'll check the chat box also. I'll respond to every student question. I'll be explaining slowly. Slowly, I'll be responding to every student question. I'll check the chat box. In explaining class itself, I'll check the chat box. Okay, chat box, I'll respond to everyone. Okay. Yes. Yes, how to install and all this, I'll explain. Don't worry. Okay. Yes, installation and everything I'll explain. Don't worry. Okay. Yes, what is role of? Yes, solution architect is the key role. No, yes, yeah. Complete project is in the hands of solution architect only here. He has to decide the technology, which is the best technology to solve that client requirements. For client requirements, what is that best technology here? Next, data flow. Yes, he has to design complete project. He has to design complete project. Complete project designing, data flow, and deciding technology. So all it's a key position in the project. It's a key role. If solution architect is good, project is good. Okay, if he is very strong in technology and all this, yes, project is good. Suppose solution architect here, then automatically project may be chance of failing here. That is key role. Solution architect is a key role in the projects. Okay, yeah, that's all. Yes, just removing this is. Yes, that's all for today. Yes, enterprise G, yes, enterprise course also there. After finishing this course, you can continue for that. You can continue for the enterprise also. Yeah, that's all for today. So thank you guys. Yes, see you tomorrow. Same link, same time. Thank you.